Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young and talented dancer named Mei Lin. Mei Lin possessed a natural grace and an innate understanding of the art of movement. Her every step, every gesture, and every sway seemed to flow effortlessly, captivating all who watched her perform. Mei Lin had heard tales of the concept of flow, a state of being where one becomes fully immersed in an activity, losing track of time and feeling a sense of effortless concentration. Intrigued by this notion, she yearned to embody the essence of flow in her dancing. She sought to experience the beauty of seamless movement and the joy of being in harmony with the current of life. One day, as Mei Lin was practicing her routine by the tranquil river that bordered the village, she noticed a group of fishermen casting their nets into the water. Mesmerized by their synchronized movements, she watched as they danced with the flow of the river, effortlessly gliding their nets through the air and into the water. Inspired by their graceful motions, Mei Lin approached the fishermen and asked if they would teach her their dance of flow. They agreed, delighted by her enthusiasm. They explained that the key to their seamless movement was to become one with the river's rhythm, adapting to its ebbs and flows. Mei Lin listened intently, eager to learn the secret of their effortless dance. With each passing day, Mei Lin would join the fishermen by the river, immersing herself in their dance of flow. She learned to sense the subtle currents and gentle waves, synchronizing her movements with the rhythm of the water. She discovered that when she surrendered to the river's embrace, she could glide and twirl with a newfound sense of ease. As Mei Lin continued to practice, her dancing transformed. She embodied the very essence of flow, seamlessly moving with the current of life. Her performances became a spectacle of beauty and grace, enchanting all who witnessed her ethereal dance. The villagers marveled at her ability to express the concept of flow through her art. Word of Mei Lin's extraordinary talent spread far and wide. One day, a renowned master of Zen philosophy happened to visit the village. Intrigued by the stories he heard, the master sought out Mei Lin's performance. As he watched her dance, a smile tugged at the corners of his lips. After her captivating performance, the Zen master approached Mei Lin and commended her for her embodiment of flow. He explained that her dance mirrored the principles of Zen philosophy, where one surrenders to the present moment, letting go of attachments and expectations. Mei Lin was overjoyed to hear such praise from the wise master. From that day forward, Mei Lin's dance became even more enchanting, for she had not only mastered the physical aspect of flow but had also cultivated a deep sense of inner peace. Her performances touched the hearts of all who witnessed them, inspiring them to embrace the concept of flow in their own lives. And so, Mei Lin, the dancer who seamlessly moved with the current of life, became a beacon of inspiration for the villagers and travelers who came from far and wide. Her story echoed through the ages, reminding generations to dance through life with grace and embrace the effortless beauty of flow.